A hyperbola having the transverse axis of length under root 2 has the same foci as that of the ellipse 3xy plus 4y square is equals to 12. Then this hyperbola does not pass through which of the following given points? From the hyperbola we can find x square upon 4 plus y square upon 3 is equals to 1. From here we know that b1 to power square is equals to a1 whole square into 1 minus e square. From here we can find out the value of e1, which comes out to be 1 by 12, and the coordinates of the foci is plus minus 1 comma 0. Hence the length of the transverse axis is equals to 2a2 is equals to root 2, from which a2 comes out to be 1 by under root 2. From here we know this equation, a2 into e2 is equals to 1. e2 comes out to be under root 2. From here we can find b2 whole square is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1, which obviously comes out to be 1.5. Hence we can find the equation of hyperbola, which comes out to be x square minus y square is equals to 1 by 2.